Hello everybody and welcome to a new Postbag video. The format of these is going to get a little bit weird as these packages are just kind of trickling in once every couple of weeks. So I'll record the opening of each of the incoming Postbags until I have enough to make a proper video, and then I'll release the video. So there'll be jumps and maybe changes in lighting and such. But being as most of these are stuff that I need for projects, I'll be opening them so that I can work on projects. So chances are you'll see some of this stuff before you see the Postbag video for it, but that's the way it works. Anyway, so we've got another parcel coming in from China here with a bonus leaf. That's interesting. I wonder where I picked that one up. And it says description of contents farad capacitor. I have a feeling I know what this is. I'm very excited to get to play around with it. Let's see what we've got. What we have is a pair. I thought I ordered only one. I mean, not that I'm complaining that there are two, but that's a little odd. It's just a pair of, I believe these are 16 volt supercapacitor boards. My plan is to use these as sort of a reservoir or a little bit of a tank for a solar charged battery pack that I'm going to be building in the near future. So yeah, I'll probably do a video where I test these properly, and we'll see you then. And now we just gotta wait for the next bag. So bye for now. Alright, so just as I was getting ready to render this video, another piece of post arrived. So I'll just insert this right at this point in the video, because in the next part I actually did my outro. So we'll just insert this real quick in between those. So this one is labeled rather unhelpfully LED chip times 3 and LED whatever the heck times 3 with a value of 6 cents. Let's see what we've got. I have a feeling I know what this is. Part of a two-part thing that I ordered. Let's see what we've got. Aha! Yes, so these are 3-watt infrared LEDs. Let's see if I can quickly power one of these up, because the camera will be able to see it. I'll just borrow this real quick. Alright, let's see. What will be the anode on this, I wonder? Maybe the one with the little mark on it. So, let's see. That's on. Well, it worked for a second. I think I may have killed it. That would be disappointing. Oh wait, no, 4.5 volts will be way too much for this. So I just killed that LED. Let's try again with a lower voltage, because I'm a dummy. Let's see. Should have a 1.5 volt cell somewhere around here in a battery holder. Where the heck did that get onto? Yeah, this is really exciting. Me trying to find a 1.5 volt cell that may or may not be where I think it is. I think it's time for me to clean up my little work area here. Oh, you know what I'll do? I'll just borrow this. let's try this again with a fresh cell. Maybe we won't ruin it this time. So that'll be the positive lead, that'll be the negative lead. You getting anything? No. At least not that the camera can see. Anyway, so I guess we'll move on to the next one. Well, I'll just do one more, apparently, because I got handed this just as soon as I finished the last one. So hopefully this is the last packet and I can actually finally make a video out of this. So let's go ahead and cut it open. 3 times modules something. What do we have here? We have 3 somethings. I believe these are little little Arduino things. Let's just dump that out real quick. Yeah, this is a little Arduino that I'm going to be experimenting with. I got these for a ridiculous price. There's this whole best offer thing where you can make an offer on something, and I think I got these for about 20 cents each. It's ridiculous. So even if the modules don't work and all I got were these pins, you know, it's the 20 cents is worth it. Alright, let's move on to the big one and then wrap this video up. Alright, some time has passed, but I've got some more posts to open, so let's continue. Yeah, let's slit that open and see what we've got in here. We have a bunch of little random bits here. Oh, okay, so these are some ferrites that I ordered. Ah, these are much better, much smaller. I bought some ferrites a little while ago to use for my jewel thief experiments. Now, these ones will be interesting. They're tiny, but they've got 2 holes in them. So it'll be interesting to see how these perform. But yeah, I ordered some ferrites a while back on Amazon, and they were way too big for the purposes that I need ferrites for. And then just for fun, I also ordered a bunch of these weird little 4-pin things, which are sort of, they're a jewel thief driver that you'll see in those solar rechargeable garden lights. And these, if I'm not mistaken, should be slow color change LEDs. Just bear with me a second here. I need a coin cell, but I'm not finding any nearby, so I have to bear with me just a moment here. Around in the background. There. 15 volts is way too much. Alright. Sorry for the off-screen messing around there. Alright, so we'll put the positive lead there, and the negative lead here. And yes, slow color changing LED. I have lots of plans for these, so I'm glad I finally got them. Alright, so that's that bit of post. Now we've got a big one, which confuses me, because I don't recall having made any large orders recently. So maybe this is an order from a while back that I've just forgotten about. Alright, come my, we've got a lot of stuff in here. Okay, I'll just put this in my lap. All right, so looks like we've got some, oh, thermal grease. Okay, this is good. This is for another project that kind of fell in the background. Okay, I know what this is. This is an order I made from Alice 1101983 a long time ago. Okay, so this is a frequency generator. I accidentally blew up my old frequency generator. Pardon the sound of the trucks in the background there. I accidentally blew up my old frequency generator, so I needed a new one. So that's that. Let's see, what do we have here? Oops, okay. Oh. It's another set of 12-volt balance circuits. I don't recall ordering those. Well, let's... Why am I throwing those off screen? I may as well leave some of this stuff on screen just to keep the workspace here looking interesting. Alright, what do we have here? Oh, a nice big heavy heat sink. Alright, that means I can finish working on another project. This is a neat little thing. It's a SMD socket that holds like SMD picks for programming. So I'll be taking this and using it for some PIC 12F683s that are SMD that I've ordered for another project. So there's that. We'll be able to continue with that. What are these? LML7812. Okay, 12-volt voltage regulators. More 12-volt regulators. Oh, here are the SMD picks. So these little tiny things, they just sort of, pardon the sounds of the cats. Let's see, I need something pointy. Alright, I can't find my tweezers at the moment, but basically this will go into there, and you push down on this and little fingers, oh, let me see if I can get up close. There we go. So you can see those little fingers move back. Well, when you put this SMD chip in there, the fingers will retract and then grab onto the pins of the SMD. So we'll mess around with that in another video. Alright, let's continue working our way through this bag of loot. I ordered this ages and ages and ages ago. Yeah, because here's the oscilloscope probe. I ordered this months. Many months ago. Anyway, so that's just an oscilloscope probe that I can use with my oscilloscope, so that's good to have. I'll be right back. I need to deal with the cats. Okay, I'm back. Sorry for that. Okay. Continuing on. Oh, this is a cool little thing. So, I've got two of these. You know, that really frustrates me. Jake braking is not permitted in the city, and yet the truckers persist in jake braking. So this says 9 volts on it, but if we plug it into a USB port, I wonder if it has a indicator LED. Nope. Okay. Anyway, if we plug it into a USB port and we measure the voltage on it, these are generally center positive, so we'll do that, and then this See, we get 9 volts out. It's got a little boost converter inside there, and we'll probably tear one down. That's why I ordered 2. To boost the power up to 9 volts. I wanted a 12 volt one, but they were all out of stock, so I just ordered 2 9 volt ones so that I could tear one down. Alright. A little fan. Oh, it's got a Molex on it. That's nice. I ordered this fan for my LED driver because the MOSFET for the LED driver gets very hot. Oh, sorry, headphone users. That is a lot more magnet wire than I was expecting to get, but this is more magnet wire for Jewel Thief experiments. Although I think this is the order that Alice said they were going to send me some extra stuff, so maybe they just threw in a couple extra spools of wire there. I'm just going to pull the rest of the stuff out of the bag here. Alright. Bunch more fans. Definitely don't remember ordering that many of those. What do we have here? Oh yeah, this is a little power supply with some terrible soldering that I'll have to probably repair a little bit. You put DC in here, and you get a variety of voltages out. You know, 5 volts there, 3 volts here. And I'm not too sure what these pins do. It's labeled DC in/out. Yeah, don't know what that is. And then it's got a little on-off switch, so that's kind of cool. Let's see. I don't remember ordering this either. Maybe this is one of the extra items. It's another DC buck regulator for USB. I think these particular models are claimed to be 5 amp. Oh, it's got a little adjustment pot there. I wonder if that's for calibrating the voltage. Let's see, another one of those things. And then a whole bunch of DC 5mm jacks. So I can... Where did I put that power bank that I just had 5 seconds ago? Oh, there it is. So I can take this and plug it into here, and I can take this and plug it into here, and I can turn that on. There we go. And the LED comes on. And then we can grab our multimeter again. And let's see, we'll measure this one. Oops. At 3.3 volts. Oh, that's almost off screen. Let's bring it a little closer. And that one comes out at 4.3 volts, but I'm only putting 5 volts in, so that actually makes sense because you'll have about a 0.7 volt drop on the voltage regulator. And then that says 0.9 volts? That's weird. I wonder if that's like a 1 volt? No, because we've got 5.0 and 3.3 volt regulators there. Yeah, I'm not sure. But if we unplug this jumper and plug this one in instead, if we measure across the 5 volt rail now, oh, the power bank shut itself off. There we go. If we measure across the 5 volt rail here, we actually get 5 volts. So that needs a slightly higher voltage going into it. at least 6 volts for it to work the 5-volt rail properly. But yeah, good result. Anyway, I think that's enough for a full video. If you haven't already, consider clicking about here to subscribe. Right over here is a video that YouTube thinks you'll find interesting based on your watching habits. Right here is my, I guess, Postbag playlist. And right here is a Patreon link that you can use to support more videos like this. So thanks so much for joining me, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.